Hi guys, for today's video, Mira and Debbie will feature ICE Residences. They will give you the latest construction updates for this project. So guys, please stay tuned and watch the video.
Hola everyone! I'm sure may idea na kayo kung anong ipepresent namin ngayon. Andito kami ngayon sa location ng ICE Tower.
And now, we will give you a construction update and why SMDC ICE Tower is one of the best projects to live and invest in.
This is Debbie Bautista
And I'm Mira Gadones.
of Will Blanza Realty TV. ICE Tower launched first quarter of 2021 and it is practically located at EDSA Extension Corner Sunrise Drive, Mall of Asia Complex, Pasay City. It is a residential office development that provides the luxury and comfort of a premium condominium development suited for entrepreneurial lifestyle.
The SMDC ICE Tower is the modern living, well-designed and well-ventilated working space. All of this happens in the heart of Pasay City. The ICE Tower is the first residential office of SMDC that offers high-end business hotel-like ambience, ideal for business persons and their employees. So ngayon, ipapakita ko din sa inyo ang construction update ng ICE Tower. So as of January 2022, nasa 24% na. And tuloy-tuloy ang construction natin para maiwasan ang delay ng turnover para sa mga clients natin. And bakit nga ba maganda ang ICE Tower? Mamaya ipapakita namin sa inyo ang mga key places of interest na malapit dito. And we are here now at SMDC ICE Tower Showroom para ipakita sa inyo ang sample upgraded unit ng ICE Tower RESO. So ayan, samahan niyo ko. So, upon entering this area or this unit, makikita nyo kaagad sa area na to ang overhead cabinet natin. So, overhead cabinet of SMDC, usually designed siya as pull-out design, but this is a push-button design. And of course, we have also the base cabinet, ayan, to of course organize your kitchenware. And we have here the cooktop, and we have also the range hood. So, dito naman makikita nyo, naglagay na din kami ng provision for our washing machine. Okay? And this one, the sink, this is already upgraded. Ayan. So, mas pinaganda yung design niya. So, you can also choose that and you can contact our team para sa mga ganitong design. Okay? So, ayan. Dito naman tayo ngayon sa toilet and bath. So, for the toilet and bath natin, kung makikita nyo, this is the shower set. Included na din siya. But this design, this is a upgraded set. Okay? So, we will give you also the idea kung paano mas mapapaganda pa yung toilet natin. Toilet and bath natin. So, on this area naman, this is an upgraded base sink. So, meron na din tayong basic cabinet dito. Ayan. And we have also the ambient light mirror. So, actually, ayan, para mas maganda. So, you can also contact us kung saan din to mabibili. And we have also here the bowl. Okay? And regarding naman dito sa design ng toilet and bath natin, ang kagandahan sa kanya, mas naging classy. So, babagay at babagay siya dun sa office setup natin. Ayan. So, eto naman, this part na to, eto kung mapapansin nyo, para lang siyang cabinet. But the good thing here, pag binuksan natin, dito nakatago yung mga stops natin. So, like the microwave and then the coffee stops natin, pwede natin dun sa taas. And for this part naman, dito sa lower part, dito naman natin pwedeng ilagay yung refrigerator natin. Okay, so ang kagandahan dito, mas naging organized and mas naging neat yung office setup natin. Okay, so ngayon, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo. Eto, so we managed to put 3 workstations here. Ayan, so kung makikita nyo, we have here the overhead cabinet also, and then the clothing shelves. So actually, this disclaimer lang po, ito yung mga upgraded design na natin. So, pag turnover sa inyo ng unit, wala po tayo niyan, but you can choose to put a cabinet here. Okay? So, actually, pwede rin kayo maglagay dito ng iba't ibang design, like you can have your television, or if you want na meron din kayong living area, so pwede din po yon. Okay? So, on this area naman, makikita nyo, of course, di mawawala yung dining set natin. So, SMDC choose to put a round table para mas ma-maximize yung space and mas spacious siya. Okay? So, ayan, papakita ko din sa inyo sa part na to. We have also, ayan, naglagay din tayo ng cabinet dito para sa mga damit natin or other stuffs din na pwede nyong ilagay. And for this area, so para nga mas komportable kayo while working, we have here the sofa bed. So, we managed to put a sofa bed here para mas maging maganda yung workplace natin. So, after a long day, you can rest here and you can enjoy the view of Mall of Asia, Manila Bay. And of course, we have also the amenity view and then the city view. So, all of that available naman siya once na mag-check tayo ng inventory. Okay? So, this is only a sample idea para mas maging maganda yung na-invest nyong residential office here dito sa ICE Tower. So, ayan, just contact us. Pag meron kayong mga gustong ipagawa, like gusto nyong ipagaya to, contact lang yung Will Blanza Realty TV. So, that's it for showroom tour ngayon. And now, we are here at the Entertainment City. Actually, we drove here for less than 5 minutes lang na sobrang lapit lang sa ICE Tower. And dito sa side ko, makikita nyo, the City of Dreams, which you can bring your family and friends. Meron tayong restaurants, casinos, and other stops na pwedeng gawin dito na siguradong mag-e-enjoy ang buong pamilya. And of course, we have also the Nobu Hotel, Hyatt, and on top of that, andito din malapit ang Okada and Soler.
Yes, correct. Kung napapansin nyo naman, itong road na to is papunta na ito ng airport. Kapag taga-Alabang kayo, Parañaque, Las Piñas, Bikutan, ito na din Skyway papunta doon. So kapag taga-Cavite naman kayo, Cavitex is here. So guys, this is your chance to own a property with a prime location and one of the Philippines' most dynamic business centers.
Yes, and I truly believe that this is a very good investment.
We have a total land area of 3,859 square meters, 14 physical floor, and 1 basement. The amenity is located on the 5th floor. Parking slot is located on the basement, 2nd floor, and 3rd floor. Commercial strip and lobby is located on the ground floor. And then we have also CCTV for the common areas for your safety. Mailbox, room, and then we have 6 elevator, 5 passenger elevator, and 1 service elevator. We have also automated generator system for both common areas and RESO floor. And then we have 2 fire exit, 1 garbage area. And then for the amenity naman, we have a central pool, kiddie pool, pavilion, gym, and then lastly, the Sky Lounge, which is you can enjoy the terrific view of the city. And guys, for more details of this project, you may contact us through the details below. Pagkatapos nating i-discuss ang project details and amenities, pag-uusapan naman namin ni Mira ang sample computation ng ICE Tower.
Yes, and for the sample computation and available unit for ICE Tower RESO, we have studio unit, 1 bedroom unit, and 1 bedroom unit within. So, for studio unit natin, around 18 square meter, nasa 24,000 pesos ang monthly natin. And for the 1 bedroom unit, around 25 square meter, nasa 30,000 pesos monthly. And for the 1 bedroom unit within, around 33,000 ang monthly natin.
Yes, correct. For the reservation fee naman, 25,000 pesos.
Yes. So, by the way, we have also here a frequently asked question for our ICE Tower RESO.
Yes, correct. So, eto, number 1 is, allowed ba ang combined units sa ICE Tower?
Yes, so good news, combination units for ICE Tower RESO are allowed, subject for the house policy or house regulations.
And then number 2, allowed ba ang signage outside the unit?
Yes po, signages are allowed then since it is for a residential office setup.
Yes, and last but not the least, can the business use the building name and address?
Yes din po, the business can use the building name and address.
Yes, correct. So after that, na-discuss na namin, magsha-shoutout naman kami ni Mira ng mga marketing partners namin.
Yes, so ayun Debbie, thank you. Ngayon gusto ko lang i-congratulate lahat ng mga investors ko sa ICE Tower RESO, kay Sir Lito and Ma'am Cynthia Bondo, also kay Sir Emmanuel Tadeo and kay Ma'am Shirley Magnaye. And also for marketing partner, congratulations, and then thank you also for Team Heart Calderon and Team Jerome Tan.
Yes, ako naman, shoutout ko lang yung mga marketing partners ko, si Jean Arcega, si Miss Belle Aguila, and si Tita Manel Lu. So guys, kung nagustuhan nyo itong video namin sa ICE Tower, mag-like kayo, share, and subscribe sa YouTube channel namin.
Yes, thank you so much, Debbie. So that's it for today's video. Again, this is Miria Dones.
And this is Debbie Bautista
of Team Wheel Basa Realty TV.